Show, coming to you from the south of West Palm Beach, Florida.
What is up, my beast warriors? What is up, guys? Right here. Currently, I am still sick. They have me on antibiotics, basically, so I can still go near people, you know, but I cannot leave my dorm. The only time I can leave my dorm is to, like, if I have to get a package at the college student center, or if I have to go get something to eat. That's understandable. But basically, I got a package today, and what I ordered from Best Buy was, since I already have season 1 of The Sopranos, and then season 2 of The Sopranos, and then season 3 of The Sopranos, and then season 6 part 1 of The Sopranos, what I ordered from Best Buy, because when I went, they didn't have any season, so I had to order it. So I went to Best Buy. I ordered season 4, season 5, and season 6 part 2 of The Sopranos. So now I have all the series of The Sopranos, and we're gonna unbox season 4, season 5, and season 6 part 2 of The Sopranos that I ordered from Best Buy, and I got it delivered to me today. So we're going to unbox this right now. Let's get to this shit. We're going to start off with the first one we're going to unbox right here. The Sopranos Season 6 Part 2. Right here of The Sopranos. That's fucking awesome, man. Love this fucking show. Very great show, by the way, man. So, yep. And also we're going to unbox Season 4 of The Sopranos. Awesome. And then right here we're gonna unbox, and then we're gonna unbox season 5 of The Sopranos. That's fucking awesome, basically. So I hope you guys basically enjoyed all these unboxing. And now I own all the seasons of The Sopranos, basically. And this is freaking awesome. I just gotta, so basically, as you guys can tell, now the Beast Animal owns the entire series of The Sopranos. That is freaking phenomenal. And you see this little DVD right here, this one, that's Sopranos Season 4, basically. So now I own all the Sopranos series, man. That is beast. It's freaking beast, man. Right here, man. Season 1, Season 2, Season 3, and then Season 4, and Season 5, Season 6 Part 1, and then after that, Season 6 Part 2. So yeah, everybody, thank you guys for tuning in to this video, and I hope you guys have a great, great evening. And I'm the Beast Animal, and this is the Beast Animal Show. Too sweet.
I come from money, I come from pain.